Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you close-up shot techniques. So this is quite easy and super easy but super effective. So first of all, I'm going to show artist model. As you can see here is quite square frame and showing the windows of the building and the instructions as well. It's quite solid and symmetric, but it's really strong image. You can make it. So I'm going to use this artist model to make a square pattern. What up? Okay, let's get started. Stop sharing and go to my Photoshop screen. Okay, I've already prepared some example, and here is black and white version, and here is color version. Totally up to you. You're going to choose like either one to go. Okay, and then also the first of all, you need to grab a camera and go outside and take photos of those kind of stuff, but not square framed. It's like this. As you can see here, a bunch of photos in here. Just focus on patterns of the building. Okay, just brick wall and stairs and the wall and stairs as well, and some steps and lines and the window, and also like a window's reflections, another window, like a fence, another window as well, on the corridor and the fence. So just take some close shots of the building. Okay. Okay. And then transfer data you took to your computer. And then let's get started things in Photoshop. Okay, this is quite easy. Okay, first of all, you need to open a picture you took from top menu, like a top file, and open it, and then find out the picture you took. Okay, I'm going to use this brick wall stuff in the here in the open. It's quite easy to make it. Okay, you need to grab this tool top from the fifth from the top, this crop tool. Okay, it is exactly what I want to do. Something like here is now is showing original ratio. Okay, you need to click here to change it. Just one by one square. Okay, just square, and instantaneously you can see the square frame here. If you're happy with that, just click the tick and OK. Quite easy. But if you want to make some like change, you can use it like this. Okay, I'm quite happy with to crop now. Okay, just click OK. That's it, almost finished. And then you can here is a layer. Just drag and drop and then grab here and just hold on the top of your picture and just check it in. Okay, just click here. Okay, that's quite a big yay. Then if you need to change the size from edit to top and free transform or transform either way, on this occasion I'm going to use free transform and just grab one of the corner and get it smaller. Okay. Okay, and then click to OK, then fix the size. For example, I'm gonna use this tool like a magnifier and get close inspection. So top tool console here. If I make exactly same size next to this picture, for example, I've already used like a ruler line. If you want to get ruler from the view and ruler here, okay, then you can get ruler and the pointer goes on the ruler and then click and drag and drop the line here like this, okay, and you moving this image and this image, the top of this image touches the line guideline, okay, and if you want to change its size from the top edit and free transform again, and you can grab the dot at the bottom of the square and then just goes just slightly big. Okay, then now it's same size. Okay, and just click OK, and you're gonna replace this one. Okay, as you can see, it pop lines on the Photoshop file. It tells about like same position and the same size. It's a quite helpful function. Okay, this is quite easy. Now you get finished one picture, one square picture here. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I don't need this anymore. And then here, okay, file top menu, and just open it and get one of the images and click and open. Okay, then the tool you need to use is this one, crop tool. Okay, just fifth from the top, this crop tool. Okay, just click, and then you can see frame. But here, just watch out. You need to fix, like specify the ratio. Okay, just square, square. Okay, and if you're happy with that, just click OK. And then when you get squared frame picture, just grab onto this picture. Okay, just click this one. And then from the top, edit and free transform and change the size to fit your picture. It's quite easy. Nice square frame picture. Okay, that's quite easy, but super effective. You can make it. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing and it's your turn. Just see you next time. Bye.